Do you know you can earn free USDT without even you making a deposit? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get that particular free USDT without making any deposit, and it's completely free, guys. All you just need to do is do some setting tasks and boom, you get your free USDT for a good job done. Okay, so if this is your first time with me on this channel, just know you are watching from Trade with Degreat, and in my channel I document video on forex, crypto, and how to make money online. So if this is your thing, do well to subscribe, hit that notification bell so as to be the first to get notified whenever I drop new videos. Okay, and don't forget to share my videos as well. So if you check on my previous video, you see that I showed you how you can be able to earn 200 USDT. This is just a campaign from MEXC exchange. So this is for those P2P merchants. Okay, so if you want to earn as a P2P merchant, this is what you would do, earn free USDT as a P2P merchant right here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, but I'm not going to waste much of our time, so let's dive in. So as you all know, MEXC happens to be one of the biggest top exchange globally right now. So last time I checked, MEXC is among the top 10, okay, top 10 exchange currently right now globally. So how do we start getting this particular free USDT? All you need to do is come to the more right now. So I'm going to be leaving my referral link down the section below. So if you have not created an account with MEXC, use that link right now and create MEXC account. Okay, so MEXC is globally accepted, maybe except for the US people, okay, maybe. But if you are in India, if you are in Nigeria, if you are any country in Africa, you can use MEXC, and verification or KYC is super easy. When I did my KYC, it just took me about 2 minutes to complete this particular KYC, as long as you have the right documents. Okay, so now what do we do? Coming to the event center here, you see so many things right here. So this part called invite and earn under the event center. So we are just going to click on this particular invite and earn, and I'll be showing you how you are going to be doing that. So it's not just you just sending your link to your family members. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. You are better calm down so that I show you everything, for there are rules and guidelines that are attached to this. So cheating is not allowed. So if you go ahead and refer yourself on this particular stuff, there's no way you are going to end. And this thing has time. Okay, it's I think 4 days for it to stop working right now. So all you need to do is come here and hit on register. So this particular place, you see register now, and before you participate on this particular stuff, make sure you already verified your account. Okay, so looking at it right now, you can see win up to 100 USDT times 3. Okay, you can see it right here. Invite, sign up, complete the task. It's considered a successful referral and you get reward. You can earn up to $300. So now this one, just make sure whoever you are referring, let's say now the thing is that if you use my referral link right now, you also going to get reward as a new user in MEXC. You are also going to get your own reward as a new user there, and also get my own reward. So if you don't have an account with MEXC, go now, use the link in my description below and register for this account. Okay, so this is it right here, and these are registered users who participated in this particular event. So as a new user, I recommend, if you don't have an account, you go and create, because MEXC is one of the top exchange right now, and these are reward distributed already. About 384,000 USDT has been distributed, so you can see it for yourself. Okay, by just referring your friend, let your friend sign up, complete their KYC, and you get a reward for that as easy as possible, about $20 or even more if more people get to use your link for referring. Okay, so this is it. You say earn free USDT with ease, and this is it. Share your link, your friend join, earn the USDT reward. And let me show you one thing here again. Look at this one, additional fiat deposit reward. If your invitee uses debit card, bank transfer, or P2P deposit, both you and your invitee, you will receive an additional 20 USDT. Is this not a free business or free money that MEXC is giving to its users? So all these things I'm showing you are legit. There's no anything like atom or scam right here. So endeavor to go through all these parts. Okay, go through the FYIK, FA and Q. Okay, go through it, the frequency asked questions, and even go through the terms and condition, because the terms and condition are very, very important. Okay, if you don't go through it, look at it right here. People that are not eligible for this event, you see the European Union, Hong Kong, the South Korea, all these Asia countries, most of them are not accepted for this. Okay, so I think US is accepted because there is no US right here, only United Kingdom is seen right here. So these are things you should look out for before even going ahead creating joining this particular referral program. Okay, so that's it for this, and look at it right now, it ends in 4 days. Okay, so this has been maybe the event, this is an event which is going to end in 4 days. So endeavor to take this opportunity serious right now, so as to be among the people to share this particular 20 USDT. 20 USDT is not small. It can get you one, or they can even get some people to start trading their way in the crypto industry. So I believe this particular video is helpful, and if this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so as to be the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. And so you know, this particular video is for an educational purpose. So before you engage in any event in a platform, make sure to do your own research, do a proper research, do your review, check for reviews about those platforms, if that platform is legit or not. So this is me just looking out for opportunities, trying my best to look out for exchanges that are well regulated, that will not siphon your money, or let's say steal your money from you, or without allowing you to withdraw. Okay, and MEXC happens to be the one, but don't just take my video or whatever I say there as a financial advice. Do your own research before engaging. All right guys, see you in my next video. Bye.